welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva. I'm your dietitian. Are you all concerned about the rapidly receding hairline? Have you all tried multiple home remedies and failed? Then you have to really worry about one culprit which is hiding behind and you're neglecting it. That is the nutrient-dense food. So along with all the things you do it for your hair, food plays a major role. So today I've come up with the top 5 plant-based foods which will not only prevent your hair fall, it also helps in hair growth and also improves the quality of your hair. So why late? Let's get in to know more about it. First, it's nutty love. Nuts like almonds, pistachios, cashews are rich in essential nutrients like protein, vitamins and minerals. These are good for health of your hair. Second, it's greeny spinach, which is filled with vitamins and minerals like iron, folate, vitamin A and C. Spinach is a great food item to promote hair growth. Third, it is yummy seeds. Seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds contain vital nutrients that help prevent hair fall and promote hair health. And fourth, it is juicy amla. Indian gooseberry or amla is another great plant-based food item packed with antioxidants and vitamin C that promote hair health. Fifth, it is healthy legumes. These are rich in plant-based proteins. They help in preventing hair fall and aid hair growth. So eat right for good hair. So guys, I hope you've understood the importance of the 5 plant-based foods for your hair fall prevention. So today not only about hair fall, I've even come to talk about something else. This is from Apoorva's Diet Studio for the Valentine's Day. As we all know, health is the greatest wealth. Give your partner the wonderful gift of health for this Valentine's Day. Enroll yourself with Apoorva's Diet Studio and your partner will be given the same program for absolutely free. That is 1+1 offer. It has come back again at Apoorva's Diet Studio. So for more details, contact the number given below and I will explain to you in detail. And if you have liked this video, do like, share, subscribe my channel Apoorva Dietitian on YouTube. I will come up with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay tuned, stay safe. Bye-bye.